If you're looking to get into RC, you've probably realized Arrma is the king of durability. But honestly, their lineup is huge, and it's easy to waste money on a car that's way too fast for a total beginner. I've spent the last month bashing 5 of their best models to see which ones actually make sense for your first buy.
Product number 1. Arrma Typhon 6S V5 BLX. When I first pulled this Typhon 6S out of the box, the weight alone told me it wasn't a toy. It feels incredibly dense and well put together. I took it out to a local park, and even on 4S power, it's a beast. When I finally popped in a 6S LiPo, I hit over 70 miles per hour on the pavement. The Spectrum Smart Tech is a lifesaver because I could keep an eye on everything right from the remote. I clipped a curb pretty hard during my run, but that new EXB front brace kept the front end from snapping. It's a 1/8 scale buggy, so it sits lower to the ground than a truck, making it handle like its own rails. If you want something that you can grow into and eventually go insanely fast with, this is the one to get.
Product number 2. Arrma Mojave 6S V2 Desert Truck. The Mojave 6S is massive. Holding it feels like you're carrying a small dog. It has this desert truck vibe that looks so scale when it's kicking up dirt. On my first run, I noticed how the long travel suspension just soaked up every bump that usually flips my smaller cars. It hits 60 miles per hour easily, but it feels more stable than the Typhon because of that longer wheelbase. I accidentally drove it through a deep puddle, don't judge me, and the waterproof receiver box kept everything bone dry. The Spectrum components make the throttle feel really smooth, which helped me keep it under control in the loose gravel. If you have a big open space or a desert-style backyard and you want a truck that looks and moves like a real trophy racer, you'll love this.
Product number 3. Arrma TLR Tuned Typhon 6S. This version of the Typhon feels like a high-end tool. The laser-etched TLR parts give it a pro look that the standard version just doesn't have. When I took it to the local track, I could immediately tell the difference in the suspension tuning. It's way more responsive and jumps flatter than the base model. It doesn't come with a battery or charger, which was a bit of a bummer at first, but it let me use my own high-quality packs. The exclusive race spec paint job stands out in a crowd too. It's got all the Spectrum brushless power you'd expect, but it feels more refined. If you're a beginner who actually plans on entering a local race, or you just appreciate high-end engineering, this is the luxury pick of the group.
Product number 4. Arrma Typhoon Grom 4x4. I was surprised by how much I like the Typhoon Grom. It's small enough to fit in a backpack, but it doesn't feel cheap. The hex hardware they used instead of Phillips screws is a huge plus for me. It means I won't strip anything when I'm working on it. I ran this one in my driveway and over some short grass, and the 4WD kept it moving without getting stuck. My favorite feature is the clipless body. You just pop it off without fiddling with those annoying little metal pins that I always lose. Since it comes with a battery and a smart charger, I had it running in no time. If you're on a tight budget or want something safe for a kid to learn on, this little buggy is the perfect starting point.
Product number 5. Arrma Mojave Grom 4x4. The Mojave Grom is basically a mini-me of the big 6S version. It's got that same desert truck styling, but in a size that I can run in my living room if it's raining outside. I noticed they improved the differentials on this one, and it feels really solid when you're pinned on the throttle. The enclosed metal gears are great because I didn't have to worry about sand or pebbles grinding things down while I was playing in the dirt. Like the Typhon Grom, this is a full ready-to-run kit with the battery included, which makes it a stress-free gift. It's tough, tiny, and honestly just a blast to toss around. If you want the desert truck look without the $600 price tag, this is definitely the best value for your money. Outro. That's the lineup. Whether you want a 70-mile-per-hour speed demon or a small backyard basher, Arrma has you covered. Make sure to check the links in the description below to see the current prices. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know in the comments.